Okay, we'll do it
All right.
after this guy leaves.
I'm wearing a shot collar for dogs. It's Carmen's,
But you wanted it.
our friend and neighbor next door. She wanted to see what
No,
would it do.
no, I didn't want
What would
to
it do
see.
with humans?
No, you wanted to.
So this is level. We did already level 2. Nothing happened. Carmen's got the controller. Film her. That's Carmen. She's on my Facebook. Let you guys know. She's got 2 kids and a dog.
Okay,
And a
here's
husband.
4.
Okay. Is that number 4?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nothing. Do it again.
Number 4?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, number 5.
okay, it's the last one I'm doing.
I'll press it.
Do it again. That's not bad. 6.
You gotta test it out if you're gonna put it on your dog.
Okay, go 7.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, 8.
It only goes to 10.
Can I do it?
Okay, 9. Okay, last one. 10.
Oh, it's gonna leave marks on your neck.
Wrong spot, wrong spot. Right here.
Oh. Yeah. That was fun.